Hello everyone, welcome back to our 0 to 0 data analytics series. I am Jaisa and today we are diving into one of the most powerful tools in the data analytics toolkit, Pandas in Python. By the end of this video, you will know the how to load, analyze and visualize data using Panda. Let's get started. Panda is a Python library that provides high performance, easy to use data structure and data analytics tool. It is go-to tool for data manipulation and analysis. To get started, let's first install Panda. If you haven't installed already, open your terminal or a command prompt and type pip install Panda. Now simply shift plus enter and wait for a kernel. So already installed. Now let's jump into the some code. First we all import the pandas library. Open your Python IDE and Jupyter notebook. Then import pandas as a PD. For that import pandas as PD. Now for this tutorial we will use a simple dataset for employee information. So simply write our employee information. Let's load this data into the pandas data frame. We can create a data frame directly from the dictionary from simplicity. Here the code. So here the data set of ID, name, position and salary. Now df equals to pd dot data frame and then print df and simply shift plus enter. Now here our data set. Running this code will give you a nice tabular view of your data set. Great. Now that we have our data in the data frame, let's explore it. One of the first thing you might want to do is get the quick overview of your data. To get a summary of your data frame, you can use the describe method. This will be give a statistical summary of your numerical column. For that, simply print df dot describe. Now shift plus enter. Wait a minute. Here this L is by mistake, right? And simply here the our all data set in numerical column. Now you can also use the info method to get a concise summary of the data frame. Include the data type or and non-null value. For that, simply write print df dot info. Then run. So here is no null value. Now let's run the command and see what we get. So here we got a null value. This command gives you a valuable insight into our data. For instance, we can see the mean, standard deviation and range of salary. Let's filter and sort our data. Suppose we want to see only the data analytics with the salary greater than 80,000. We can do this easily with Panda. For that, simply write hi underscore paid underscore analytics. It's equal to df bracket df, then also df, then position. Now equals to data analytics. We want to find the value of data analytics more than 80,000, so we write an data analytics. Then also write df salary because I want salary of data analytics. That's why here I write salary. Make sure the lowercase and uppercase of spelling is greater than 80,000. Now bracket close and simply write print high paid analytics bracket close. Now simply shift plus enter, and here the value of those who have more than 80,000 salary. So these are 4 people with ID. If we want to sort your employee by salary in descending order, we can use the slot value method. For that, simply write sorted df equals to df dot sort values by salary by salary comma ascending order equals to false bracket close and write print sorted dot ds sorted df, and here the value is in a ascending order, descending order and ascending order. Let's check the result. And now, as you can see, Panda make it very easy to filter and sort your data. Now let's move on the practical example. Imaging you are in imaging you are analyzing live cricket data to determine player performance using Pandas. You can quickly filter players based on their score, sort them to see their top performer, and even visualize their performance trend over the time. ये सब कुछ पांडा के साथ बहुत ही आसान हो जाता है. Finally, let's create a simple visualization. Panda integrate with the matplot to create a basic plot. Let's plot a bar chart for employee salary. For that, simply import a matplot. Import matplot lib dot py plot as plt. Now df dot plot kind bar. Now x equals to x-axis have a name and y-axis or a y label it's equals to salary. Now title equal to employee salary. Now simply plt.show, and here is our result. This will generate a chart showing the salary of our employee. Now and this there you have it. We have load data in Panda, explore it, filter and sort it, and even visualize it. I hope this gives you a good starting point for using Pandas in your data analytics work. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorial. Also check out our rest of our 0 to Hero data analytics series. See you in the next video.